Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log in to your Frontier Airlines account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.frontier.com. After you've pressed the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Frontier Airlines. Since we're on the home page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see a login button just besides the sign up button. You'll have to click on it as shown on the screen and you'll be able to view a new login page. On this page, all you'll have to do is enter your email address and the password of your Frontier Airlines account. So firstly, enter your email address and then the password of your Frontier Airlines account. If in case you've forgotten your password, all you'll have to do is click on this forgot password link and follow through the process to retrieve your password. If you're not a member yet, click on the sign up button and you'll be able to become a member. But if not, after entering all your credentials, all you'll have to do is click on this login button and you'll have successfully logged into your Frontier Airlines account. So it is that simple, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.